Hobby English Lab.
Welcome back to the Hobby English Lab. I am Mika.
And I am Alex. Good to have you here.
Today I want to visit a music store.
Excellent. Are you buying something or just carefully touching your future dreams?
Maybe both. I want to try a guitar.
Guitars are wonderful. They make you believe you can start a band by Friday.
Can you play guitar?
I can play 3 chords with confidence.
3 chords and confidence. That is a powerful beginner package.
Absolutely. Many songs begin with 3 chords and someone saying, "Wait, I know this part."
Did you practice a lot?
For the first week, yes. I practiced the same song so many times that my neighbor learned it by accident.
Poor neighbor.
Or lucky neighbor, history will decide.
Music stores can be a little scary because the instruments are beautiful and expensive.
Yes. You want to try something, but you also do not want to drop a guitar and start a new financial chapter.
So today we will practice polite English for asking to try an instrument.
And for asking beginner questions without pretending to be a rock star.
But a little rock star feeling is okay.
Required, actually.
Hi, can I try this guitar?
Sure, please be careful with it.
Of course. Is this good for beginners?
Yes, it is easy to hold and not too heavy.
That is good. I am just starting.
Then this is a nice choice.
How much is it?
It is $180.
Okay, do I need a case?
Yes, if you want to carry it outside.
Do you have a simple case?
Yes, this soft case is popular.
Great. Can I play one note?
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, it sounds nice.
It does. You have a good first note.
Just one note, but I feel proud.
That is how it starts.
Can I try this guitar? Is polite and clear.
Yes. In a music store, always ask before you touch an instrument.
Instruments look friendly, but some of them cost more than my weekend plans.
Some guitars look at your wallet and laugh quietly.
I like "Can I try" because it works in many places.
Can I try this jacket? Can I try these shoes? Can I try this chair?
Can I try this hobby for 3 days and then decide?
That is my favorite subscription plan.
Is this good for beginners? Is maybe the best phrase today.
Yes. You can use it for anything. Is this camera good for beginners? Is this bike good for beginners? Is this recipe good for beginners?
Is this life decision good for beginners?
Usually no.
When I ask good for beginners, I want the staff to understand, please do not give me the expert version.
Exactly. Beginner gear should help you start, not make you feel judged.
Did your first guitar feel beginner-friendly?
Yes, but I was not neighbor-friendly.
Because of the same song?
Same song, same mistake, same dramatic face.
What song?
Legally and emotionally, I will not say.
Fair.
How much is it? Is simple, but very important.
And after the answer, you can say, okay, or that is a little over my budget.
Very useful. Over my budget means too expensive for me right now.
Nice phrase.
Do I need a case? Is also practical. With instruments, accessories are important.
Case, strap, extra strings, picks.
And patience.
Do they sell patience?
Usually in lesson form.
I like "it sounds nice." It is easy and warm.
Yes. You do not need advanced music words. You can say, it sounds nice, it sounds bright, it sounds soft, it sounds loud.
It sounds like my neighbor will move.
That is a different kind of feedback.
Let us try some examples.
Can I try this ukulele?
Is this good for beginners?
Can I try this keyboard?
Do I need headphones?
Can I try this drum?
Maybe ask your neighbors first.
Good safety advice.
Hi, can I try this guitar?
Sure, please be careful with it.
Of course. Is this good for beginners?
Yes, it is easy to hold and not too heavy.
That is good. I am just starting.
Then this is a nice choice.
How much is it?
It is $180.
Okay, do I need a case?
Yes, if you want to carry it outside.
Do you have a simple case?
Yes, this soft case is popular.
Great. Can I play one note?
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, it sounds nice.
It does. You have a good first note.
Just one note, but I feel proud.
That is how it starts.
Today we practiced English for a music store.
Try saying, is this good for beginners? You can use it for many hobbies.
And if you play one nice note, please celebrate it.
Every song begins somewhere.
Thanks for listening and see you next time.